Welcome back to our adventures on the road. On this episode, we head further west and unlock a new state to explore.
We're leaving Seduna.
You back on the road, heading west. Start crossing the Nullarbor today, and then we'll kick on to an awesome track on the southeastern coast of WA.
Yeah. Good.
Alright, we've arrived at camp. Just a roadside stop on the Is this the Nullarbor? Not yet.
No.
Got a bit of a fire pit. I don't know if you can see that, but you can barely see me now. We'll get Maisie out, get a fire going, and then we'll cook up the squid that we caught last night for our spontaneous squid cooking session after our farewell dinner from our working stay, and crack a beer, and that'll be it for the day. And we'll hit the road early tomorrow, and we've got about probably 7 hours of driving to hit the close to the start of the track, the WA's telegraph track. So keen as. Oh yeah, Evan's cold beer and a nice warm fire. We're doing half and half, right? These are great. Collapsible containers. This is the squid we caught last night. Pre-prepared with fresh chilli, chicken salt and some pepper. I'm going to chuck that on the grill with some broccolini and some spuds. Why don't we have lentils?
Because someone forgot to get them.
No. My job is to get matches. Go and find matches. And Claire said I'll get corn chips and lentils, alright? And we can't get, we don't have a whole lot of fresh food, so we need canned veggies, alright? And then what'd you come back with?
Corn chips. And 3 extra snacks.
Lollies?
And salt and vinegar chips. The essentials.
I don't know how well that'll go in a pasta, but anyway.
Due to the restrictions on taking fresh fruit and vegetables across the WA border, we cooked up the rest of our veggies ready for tonight's dinner.
After a quick camp pack up, we hit the road for a full day of driving across one of the world's longest stretches of straight road on the Nullarbor Plains. If you like the video so far, there's one thing you can do to help us. Pause the video, subscribe, and then you can kick on with the adventures. Yeah, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, so we'll cross the border and get as close as we can to the start of the track today.
Yep.
Enjoy the Great Australian Fire. We will.
some bait. Imagine the fish you could probably get. Yeah, this is better.
Oh my god, that's nuts.
Crazy.
Wowee. Colour of the water. We're at the cliffs.
Living life on the edge. We're pulling up to the border checkpoint crossing, so we're not far from the WA border.
Really excited. It feels like we're coming into a new country.
We're in the Shire of Dundas. We've crossed.
Here we are. We're just pulling in to see the old telegraph station in Eucla.
We explored the ruins, then made our way to camp for the night, getting in just after sunset. Normally we do fresh nachos with beans, fresh tomatoes, chilies, like real nice styles.
Guacamole, sour cream.
But the WA borders, we could have gotten them anyway, but the WA border's super strict on what you can bring in. So we're doing a canned nachos. So we've got bloody Heinz big and chunky chili beef.
Big and chunky.
Dangerous for the back end. We got some corn kernels canned, some cheese obviously. We got some Tabasco sauce in the fridge. And what we do is we do it. Oh yeah, and the mission ones are the best. And what we do is we do the 1 pan wonder on the fire, and we basically just make a huge nachos dip. Bean in. Oh, she's big and chunky. Holy moly. Oh, it's going to be dangerous for tomorrow. The precious goods on.
Filming the sketchy method of slicing the cheese.
Always. Oh yeah.
Finished product.
That's it. That's the
Took us a whole 3 minutes to make.
cut here.
Get the chibbies out.
Gotta cut them, Claire. You gotta cut them. No, you don't have to cut them. Good.
Gotta be super keen.
You get one of those bad boys. Sound of adventure, that is. Next episode, we air down and hit the tracks for our first taste of Western Australia's beautiful coastline.